So you are thinking of moving to your forever home. That's awesome. Let me guess. You're dreaming of something low maintenance. No more lawn care or shoveling snow. And of course, you want a great location, close to shopping, restaurants, and beautiful walking trails. Main floor living is a must. And the second bedroom on the main level? You know why? You still love to cook and entertain. So a nice kitchen and formal dining space are non-negotiable. You've always wanted tall ceilings and a sunroom to relax in. And yes, grilling on your own deck, that's a must. Your suite should feel like a retreat with a walk-in shower and a soak-in tub, all updated and ready to enjoy. For the lower level, a walkout is ideal, so it doesn't feel like basement. 2 more bedrooms for visitors. And your big wish, a private backyard, maybe even with a lake view? "10374 Lancaster Lane. That one has everything on your list. Let's go see your new home."